Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best camping grill stoves that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Coleman Roadtrip Propane Portable Grill LXE. Coleman Roadtrip Propane Portable Grill LXE was specifically designed for the ones that love camping. Unlike other portable grills, this particular model comes with legs and caster wheels. It can be folded so that it is easy to store and has a small handle so that it can be pulled around. The grill is removable so that it can be cleaned easier, but it can also be used like a regular stove. It has 2 individual burners that offer a heating power of 20,000 BTU over cooking surface of 285 square inches, and each burner can be adjusted individually. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Coleman Classic Propane Stove. Coleman Classic Propane Stove manages to sell well mainly due to its simplicity. It has a slim profile with a metal cover and folding side walls. The side walls can be fixed into place so that they provide better protection for the burners when the wind blows from the sides. Like most Coleman stoves, the model has perfect flow and perfect heat technologies which basically translate into less propane consumption. It is built to use less fuel and work even in the most extreme weather conditions. As far as cooking power goes, the 2 burners offer a heat output of 20,000 BTU. Each burner can be controlled individually and the covering grate can be removed so that it is easier to clean. The stove is reasonably compact, but it can fit regular 12 and 10-inch pans. At number 3, we have the Camp Chef Explorer 2-burner stove. Camp Chef Explorer stove is more of a general-purpose model that can be used for camping or even in the backyard. It works with regular propane tanks and it is very easy to set up. Unlike other stoves on our list, this model comes with aluminum legs which makes it easier to cook on the stove. The legs of the stove are removable to make it easier to pack. It has side walls that prevent wind from blowing directly into the burners and 2 knobs to adjust each individual burner. The stove is not that heavy and does not take a lot of storage space. When it comes to cooking on the stove, having legs does add some degree of convenience. The burners are large and the grate over them is easy to clean. The 2 burners combined offer a heat output of up to 30,000 BTU, which should be enough. At number 2, we have the Camp Chef Everest High Output 2-burner stove. Camp Chef Everest camping stove is a great companion for the ones that are looking for something reliable to enjoy a hot, freshly cooked meal while being away from the city. It is a compact stove made mostly out of metal and with a convenient carry handle. Cooking surface is fairly generous. Also, cooking power is enough for a camping stove. It has a heat output of up to 20,000 BTU for the 2 burners. Both of them are protected by a steel grate that can be removed, making it easier to clean. As far as practicality goes, the stove has a self-ignition button. It also has 2 side walls that protect the burners from the wind. Also, it has a stainless steel drip tray that is easy to clean. It is a bit heavy, but it is quite compact. And finally, at number 1, we have the Coleman Camp Propane Grill. Coleman Camp Propane Grill is an essential item that should not be missing from the arsenal of anyone that loves to spend time out and away from the city. It is very compact, easy to use and easy to carry. It is also inexpensive but well built and reliable. Looking at the design of the grill, the model has a single burner that offers a heat output of 11,000 BTU. It works with regular propane tanks and they are very easy to install without having any kind of leaks. According to Coleman, the Camp Propane Grill has a protect heat design which helps it preserve heat for efficient cooking while using less heat. The cooking area is about 180 square inches and it is very easy to clean. The porcelain-coated grade prevents food from sticking while the raised edges prevent spills. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, Please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.